Okay, okay, no problem. Even 1 month, I don't care. The friend of Madam. You are not mine.
It's not your friend.
No, I don't have a choice na if the Madam tell me, you go. So I go. Job is the job.
You're coming here for work, not for... Haha. Kuhanan din ako dyan.
Congrats.
Ito silang dalawa.
Okay.
Hindi ka salis din na.
Share?
Mamaya,
Sure?
mamaya.
100%?
Itong dalawa nag-upitipe. Kami namang
So
dalawa
that ticket is cancelled.
nag-hard disk.
That ticket is cancelled.
Cancel sis, don't go.
The ticket I have now is cancelled.
Hello, my sister. Hi, sis. Nasaan Tina?
What's ang order?
Balik mo siya order niya. Eh, wala pa namang order. Wala pa nga sa akin eh. Nandun na pala siya. Kumuha doon ng order. Eh, wala pa namang order.
10 minutes.
Waiting pa kami sa aming order.
10 minutes daw pa.
10 minutes nga sa akin. Wala pa yan. Reklamo yung dalawa kasi may susto yung kanilang pagkain. Ano ba yan? Ano yan? What is that? Rice beef with rice?
Rice, chips, and
Rice chip and what? Let's see. How much is one? 999? 1,000? Ako, ito lang kakainin ko.
Yeah.
Chicken chips and curly fried.
Just with
Ano lang?
putting toppings.
Sarap kasi siya, no? Crunchy.
Yeah. No ask.
Price lang din ang gusto ko dyan.
Crunchy siya. Ganda.
You look at the picture without sauce.
Sabi mo ka lang, dayahin mo yung kinalipin.
Bibli ba? Mayonnaise.
Ihalo-halo muna.
Pangit.
Pangit.
Mayonnaise ihalo mo sa